If you're seeing the Facebook error processing image message, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you a few simple fixes that can solve the problem fast. This issue can happen when Facebook has trouble loading the image, the page isn't refreshing correctly, or your browser is holding on to old data. The good news is that most of the time, you can fix it in just a few minutes. So if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. The first thing to do is check whether the page URL is correct. Sometimes the problem is not the image itself, but the page you're trying to open. Look at the address bar and make sure the link is complete and valid. If anything looks off, go back and try opening the page again. Next, refresh the page or reload your browser. This is one of the easiest fixes, but it often works because it forces Facebook to load the image again from scratch. If the error came up because of a temporary loading issue, a simple refresh may be all you need. If refreshing does not help, clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, your browser stores old files that can interfere with how websites load. When that happens, Facebook may keep showing the same error, even though the image is fine. Go into your browser settings, find the privacy or history section, and clear the cached files and cookies. After that, close the browser and open Facebook again. Another thing to check is your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can stop Facebook from fully loading images, which can trigger the processing image error. Try switching to a stronger Wi-Fi network, reconnecting your internet, or testing another device to see if the issue is still there. If you're still seeing the error after that, try opening Facebook in a different browser. Sometimes the issue is specific to the browser you're using, and switching to another one can immediately fix it. You can also try using incognito mode to see whether browser extensions are causing the problem. At this point, if the image still will not process, give it a little time and try again later. Facebook servers can occasionally have temporary glitches, and the error may disappear once the system finishes loading properly. So to quickly recap, first check the page URL, then refresh the page, clear your browser cache and cookies, and make sure your internet connection is stable. If needed, try another browser or wait and try again later. One of these steps will usually get Facebook working again. If this video helped, please hit like and subscribe for more easy tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.